It's a beautiful still day in Lancaster. What will it be like up in the lakes? We're heading up there, me and Mr. Turney, to the Langdale Valley. Mr. T and Mr. Turney, and we're going up to the Lake District, the Langdale Pikes.
Langdale Pikes, yes.
And I hope we've got blue skies today because it will be stunning. This lad, Mr. T, doesn't know what a visual feast for his eyes is going to hit him.
I got my sunglasses on.
Oh, I forgot my sunglasses.
Oh, did you?
Oh.
We're coming up to it now. We'll be parking up in about 5 or 6 minutes. No, 8 minutes, sorry. Yeah, look at, nice day today.
He picked the weather. I wanted to go yesterday, but he said no.
No. I knew it was going to be fine today. That's why I said. But my wife said last night, she says, why are you setting off so early? You've got all day. I said, well, you've got to get up there before everybody else gets there, so you've got parking space. And she says, well, what you got to do for the rest of the day? I says, well, we'll be an hour and a half to get up there, and 4 hours to get up and down. An hour and a half to get back home, that's nearly 8 hours.
Here we are, this is the Old Dungeon Ghyll. Look at them beautiful blue skies. And we're going to cut through the valley. We're going to go back to this pub up here and take a left along.
We're not going straight up?
We'll do that on end when we come back.
Right, good morning. We're at the car park in the Langdale Pike area. As you can see, Mr. Cabbage is already prepared. I'm just waiting for him to put his plaster on. He cut his salad yesterday, so you know it's gardening. So what we'll be doing, we'll be going round back at pub, left, then up over at top. So it'll be a nice slow meander, getting up to 600 metres and plus. But as you can see, it's a glorious day today, and it's just gone, what time is it? 20 past 9. We're already here. Which did
I can't remember.
You can't.
I don't even know what I'm doing.
So, right, looking forward to this. This was where I thought we were going from.
Yeah, that's that other one.
So you're going up Langdale Pikes, Lowcroft.
Hold on, just let's get this.
You know how to do it. It comes out of there when you press green.
You know some stuff. How do you know that?
Oh, it comes out. You're
left-handed.
Because they could see that you'd got your hands full. How glorious it is today, isn't it? And then we're walking in between it, right up.
We're going between that bit.
Or is there a lift? We've only got 2 miles to get to the base of that little hill that we're climbing today.
We're heading up there, and we're going to stand on the peak up there. I can show you. Rossett Pike. I'm almost certain that's what it's called. And it's beautiful. It's quite warm actually now.
Mr. Cabbage is there taking some footage for his YouTube blog. He makes money out of it, so he's doing well for himself. We're going to be climbing up to the top of there, so in that gap in the V we're going up there past that tree in the centre of my screen now, and then up to the top, and that little pinnacle there right in the centre of the screen, that's where we're going.
I don't think my fitness is up there yet. I'll do it, but how much pain? How much pain will I be in? Beautiful though. stunningly beautiful in the Lake District. As you can see, there's a little bit of mist coming in up there.
Now we may be going over Bowfell, back round, all the way down to that road in the distance, come back down that road, so we don't know yet. It's all down to how we perform going up this hill. So looking forward to it. As you can see, he's thoroughly enjoying it, showing rocks and foliage or whatever he does. But yeah, if we don't decide to come back that way, we're going to go back that way over the tops and come back down that waterfall there, which is the path down.
So we're going to stop at the tree.
Yeah.
And there's another little bit of a veer off to where we're going to stop up there. Beautiful, isn't it? Look at that blue sky. This is where we've headed on the valley. I've done this walk a number of times. One of my favourites.
We're just having a coffee break at the moment. It's 10:30, so we've been over an hour to get to this point. As you can see behind me, beautiful. All the way down that valley we've come. Right, we've come a little bit further up since we had a lunch box. We've had a lunch. As you can see, that's a point up there which is a fair old distance away. We've had to discard some of our winter clothes because it's getting quite hot here. Anyway, get a bit further up and I'll give you another view.
Right, we ought to stop, get a sandwich, drink a pop, and we're cracking on again. It's a bit warm, so we took a few layers off. He's in red at back, so you can see him in red, so he stands out and don't get lost. Where's Wally? Where's Wally? What do you reckon so far, Mr. T? Good?
Yeah, I'm enjoying
That's it.
it. The only drawback is that we're another hour away because we have to go around the corner first.
Yeah, where them two people are over there. It goes along, and you can see Paul now. You can see the path there, look. Can you see it? Going up there.
My mate's pointing in the direction where the path is. We have to go up to that big boulder up there and then across on that top rather than just go straight up there. He says he can't get on his hands and knees anymore, he's too old. Now then, we've got a nice view over Tatum Fell, which is, I'll point my finger that way, in between that valley there. That's Tatum Fell. So I'm presuming further over on that side, in the far distance, is something like Pendle Hill. He's doing very well today as well. We've had a coffee break, obviously. Look, he can't even get down. Wait on. Do you want me to help you, old lad? You know.
I'll come down on the ass. It's slippery as all that.
Do you know? Look.
I'm only doing it for the camera because
Yeah.
too much acting.
Do you want a couple of these Viagra now?
Oh, not yet.
No, I've got some there. Where is it? There. Viagra. I offered him to before, but he's sticking to his rhubarb and custard. How far up are we? Where's that say on my watch? I can't see on it, but it'll tell me on my watch. how far up we are. Now then, we've virtually got to it. That's all we've got to do there. There's a tarn on the other side, so we should be there in about 20 minutes. But looking back down the valley where we've just come up, them little ants that you can see, they're actually people. We're miles and miles away from them. There's several groups now. My mate, he's lost 3 kilos coming up here. The only trouble is, he has, what is it, rhubarb and custard? No, I don't want rhubarb and custard.
Beautiful.
Yeah, he's losing his weight and then he's putting it on with sugar level. I don't know, but yeah. Got over at top. We're going up there in a minute. It's only a 5-minute walk. But we've come over. What tarn is this?
Angle Tarn.
Angle Tarn. We've got a couple going there and then having a skinny dip in Angle Tarn, I think.
Shall we walk down and get something to eat there? Or,
Yeah.
Or do you want?
We'll do that first.
What?
Do that.
No, because if you do that.
Oh yeah,
first,
yeah.
You've got to come
Yeah.
down
And then you've got to go
back up again.
What if you go back down again? I warned him out. Come on. He's doing well. Look at the view up here though. Bloody hell. There's loads of people up here. Cloud's coming in a little bit, so we'll sign off. We're having lunch now down at the tarn.
So we've made it to the top. We're heading down to Angle Tarn. Look how dark that water is down there. And we've got a decision to make which way to go back. Haven't we?
What?
Got a decision to make which way to go back.
It's either we're going that way or we're going other way, and it's the old expression, I used to be indecisive, but I'm not sure I am anymore as to which way I'm going. But
So
we'll make the correct decision when we get there. No, after lunch. He's got 2 bananas to eat.
and a tin of oxtail soup.
I've got 2 sticks. Are we doing this? Rub sticks together and see if we can build a fire on these.
He's on day release.
On these YouTube videos, they get 2 sticks and rub them together. I don't think we'll be doing that though.
You've got excuses.
He hasn't got the energy to.
Can't get a word in.
Never mind.
I can't get a word in.
2 sticks together.
Think
I'd have brought a box of matches anyway.
he's got learning difficulties.
Learning difficulties. It's a learning.
I'm turning it off now so you can't reply. I love the sound of this water.
Not easy.
Is it not?
No, it's not easy.
Well, I'll go this way then. I've got my camera to think of. Oh, I'm looking forward to some food. Hiya. Is there any shops up here?
There's not.
He wants to know what defibrillator is.
There's definitely one in Langdale, I know.
We got to the top of here. In the distance you can just make out Lake Windermere. Just how far up towards Ambleside I don't know. And we went to the tarn, but look how amazing this is up here.
I'm just going to make our way to that little headland there to get a good view down the valley, and then we're going to make our way somewhere over the left so we can make our way back down to the valley. But as you can see here, We was going to walk back along the hills up there and back and back and back, but we're not fit enough. Well, I'm not anyway. It's only my third walk. Doing alright. Pleased with myself. Pleased with myself, yeah. Doing well.
Right down in the distance, red backpack there. He's going back down the same way as we came up. Oh, there's several in a group, as you can see. But I can't get too much closer to that edge because it's a sheer drop down there, so I'm not risking it. But yeah, I don't know how many, 600 meters something. I'll let you know later. All right. My mate's just over there. He's gone to look right down into the valley, so he'll be getting a photograph. A bit risky, but he's confident. It's 600 meters this.
I'm not going any further because it's a sheer 300-foot drop down.
Yeah, right over there in the distance. Yeah, oh there he is, he's coming back now, he's done his bit.
Right, so we're out here now. There's a valley to the left, I don't know what that one's called. There's all these hills here, and we're going to take
That path down
there's
there.
a path where the people are
Down into the valley.
down into the valley.
Yeah.
Right.
He wanted me to jump off a cliff. No swearing.